some ham sandwiches. Bologna or something. Cover those points, sorry. Noodles. That's what they're gonna eat. Noodles. And this is 3 minutes.
Just chilling.
I gotta ask y'all a question.
Yeah.
Y'all not hot yet?
We're
y'all
hot.
Y'all tired?
Yes.
What about hungry? Did y'all work up appetite?
Yes.
Yeah?
So hungry.
I'm actually hungry.
You actually hungry? What's some good restaurants?
Chick-fil-A.
McDonald's? Chick-fil-A? What you say, Danny? Raising Cane's?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. That do sound good. All right, so let me go see what mommy doing. Let me see what TT up to.
All right.
And let me see what we can get y'all to eat.
Add a little egg up in there with some shrimp. They'll be filling a little beef, a little sriracha. They'll be alright.
What's up, babe?
I know what they're gonna eat.
I was just about to come over and tell you that they was talking about some Chick-fil-A and some Raising Cane's and
I
some
got something
McDonald's.
better.
You got something better?
Noodles.
Yeah, noodles. Noodles? See, school is around the corner. You got 5 grown kids and you think noodles? I mean, it is quick, but it's not fulfilling.
Listen.
What type of ingredient is noodles?
One
Hey, yo,
ingredient.
come here, come here, come here. Y'all, TT, your mama said that y'all should eat noodles.
What kind of noodle? I like it.
Lord Jesus.
Add a little egg, add a little.
I like the
beef.
tteokbokki noodles.
Yeah, that's good.
I like
Y'all
ramen
live
noodles.
fancy. Y'all live fancy. Trying to keep the prices down.
Babe, what about the different apps they got? You didn't look into them apps or nothing?
Yeah, I look for my Popeyes and Chick-fil-A and Raising Cane's. I look
No,
all
no,
those
babe.
apps. The points not pointing.
Babe. Look at your daughter on the curb. Look at her on the curb, babe.
Oh.
She don't need no noodles, babe.
Oh well.
Yeah, everybody hop in. We need to have a conversation.
Don't.
Everybody hop in. I think this tea would be the perfect time. Besides noodles, noodles is good. I'm not against noodles. I'm not against
I'm
the Popeyes.
against it, but
you know what I'm saying? I'm not even against the prices that we had when we was living abroad.
Oh,
South Africa had amazing prices.
Yes.
But this right here, let me know. Do you remember the Jow app?
We finally get to use it.
We finally get to
use
is
it.
perfect.
Just listen, we were so spoiled abroad.
Mm-hmm.
So spoiled. The prices just was good to the people.
Yes.
You know, regardless of the stores that we went to, like,
Oh Lord, we fell in love with so many stores.
for real.
So many stores.
Like, it was just so good. Like, here, you know, I was looking at, okay, what if we just buy the groceries? You know, it depends on the store. The store got different prices. You know, it's everywhere.
right.
But the prices here just, they think we making Mars money or something.
Mars money is
You know?
crazy.
I mean, we good, but
Mars
I
money
don't
is
want to
crazy.
spend $100 for every meal that I have to cook, you know?
Listen, it might be hot outside, but I think this app is even hotter.
Oh,
So
okay.
I think we should just go ahead and dive into it.
Let's see.
When we were living abroad, we learned real quick that groceries didn't have to drain your whole paycheck. The food was fresh, affordable, and we still ate good. So when we came back home, we were determined to rethink how we grocery shop. That's what made us take a serious approach to shopping smarter. And that's exactly how we found the best app to do just that, Jowl. Jowl isn't one size fits all. The app lets you build a household profile based on how many people you're feeding, any dietary restrictions and dislikes, and your personal goals. Whether it's eating healthier, saving money, or just making grocery planning easier. What I love most is that I can still shop at my favorite grocery stores, and you can too. For me, it's always going to be H-E-B, Kroger, or everyone's go-to, Instacart. Here's where Jowl really comes through for me. It builds a weekly menu based on our preferences, and these aren't just random recipes. These are meals my family actually eat. If something doesn't work for us, I can swap it out from their recipe library or build my own. But Jowl makes the entire process more personalized, faster, and honestly, just smarter. It's perfect for those of us who go from putting groceries in the cart to wandering off into the candle aisle. No more sitting around like what we gonna eat or allowing those kids to bully us into the fast food drive-thru. Jowl handles that. Every ingredient for each recipe gets added right into your grocery cart with real-time pricing from the store of your choice. You know how many times I've overspent just because I didn't plan ahead? With Jowl, I can see exactly what I'm spending before I check out. And if I need to adjust or remove something, I can. Then once I see how much I save, that's when I go add those little extra things I just wanted to look at. Or not, because the app allows you to have a set budget. With Jowl, I spend less time meal planning, eat healthier, make the most of my grocery budget, and waste less food. Thanks to Jowl's perfectly portioned grocery list. Download the Jowl app today. It's completely free. No subscription fees, just real savings and promo deals. And the best part about it is, I still get to use my H-E-B coupons. We'd like to thank Jowl for sponsoring today's video and gifting our community with $25 off each of your first 2 orders when you use the code LIFEWITHJOwl.
Hey.
For Sierra?
Yes.
All right. Where do you want?
You can just pop the trunk and just put everything on the back seat.
You got it.
All right, thank you.
It's got the eggs in it.
All right.
And hamburger buns.
Hamburger buns. Yes, sir. All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Have a great night.
All right, you too. Yes.
Got our groceries.
That's right.
Now let's head home.
Let's get it.
see if you need this right now?
Yes.
Then you put a fry on his burger.
Different.
It's like a coda, huh?
A crunchy.
Cover the cover.
See, we ain't the only ones still worried about South Africa.
Oh, you're the box.
Fries on hers.
I always do it.
Mom, that food is the box.
Is it? Is it better than Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Is it? Y'all like it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, we got a new recipe.
Okay. Flavor.
All right.
Is this something y'all can eat for school lunch? Yeah.
It's filling.
Is it filling?
Yeah.
10 out of 10?
More than 10 out of 10.
What's up with the fries and the burgers? Is this
It's
like
a
a
coda.
kid thing?
It's a coda. Remember the coda?
Yeah.
It's a what?
They quiet, so they must be enjoying it.
Right.
Oh
So,
my gosh.
y'all for the win.
My mouth is watering just watching because, ooh, Lord, it's a buffet. I got that buffalo chicken burger. That's my first bite. I give this a 10 out of 10. I'm not exaggerating. The flavor is there. It don't even taste like regular breast meat. And I know that sounds crazy, but like when you get stored, it's marinated. It's how the recipe teaches you how to cook it down, so it gives that extra oomph to it. It really is just mad delicious. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. It's really, really good. You can see the seasoning on there. Look at that. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, boy, boy.
I love the blue cheese on here. I really do.
It's a crazy combo.
I like the recipe. Although we didn't use ground turkey, I love that. This is really good.
And the app gives you so many different options to how you want to dress it up, how you want to even switch it up, because it comes with its own recipe. But there's something that you may not like. You also have the option to just swap. So shout out to them for that. That's some mad flex. How you doing? I'll eat me. Last bite. Last bite.
That is my box bag and